Hi, I'm Angela with Community Relations, and I'm going to show you how to update your profile information on our district or school websites. Just in case you don't know where they are, all of our new school websites will have a staff directory on them. Our district site also has a staff directory, and whether you're on the district or our school sites, you'll be able to find that under the About menu. So if you click on the staff directory, you'll see a list of all people in your school or in the district. And some schools will also further organize it either by grade or by department, whatever works best for your school. On the district site, you'll note that we have listings of all the school staff members as well. If you click on the name of somebody in the staff directory, you'll see links such as a link to a website or a link to an email. Now, particularly for teachers, we ask that you add either your Moodle page, your Google site, if you create a new page using our new system, or other district approved website to manage your classroom. Putting the link here really helps parents find the information that they're looking for when they're trying to help their children or trying to understand what it is that they're learning. Um, it's one of the biggest frustrations that we heard from parents when we surveyed them about our new websites. They couldn't remember whether a teacher had a Moodle site or something else. On there, and they kind of wanted one place where they could find all that information, and the staff directory is our solution to that. Now, right before we begin, I just want to show you quickly how to find a, a tutorial on how to do this. If you go to Career and Staff on the district website and you select Staff Resources, you'll find a link on how to update your profile picture and info on our websites. And this gives you written directions. It'll download a PDF to your computer, and you'll be able to go through this same video step by step in a document rather than sitting through a video. So let's go back to the home page, and actually it doesn't matter what page of a website you're on, and you can do this via the district website or your school's website. When you update your profile information in one place, it'll update it in both places. So in the upper right hand corner near the search bar, you'll see a login link. Go ahead and click on that, and that'll take you to a new page, and you'll use the same login username and password that you use to log into your computer. Click login, and it'll take you back to the page that you were on before. In this case, I was on the home page, so it takes me back to the home page. Now, to edit your profile, you'll notice that if you're logged in correctly, you'll see your name in the upper right hand corner instead of the login link. Click on your name, then click on the Edit User tab. And the first information you see is your username, your first name, last name, and email address. Please don't change any of this information. We get this information from the DIS Active Directory system. So if you get married and you change your name, please be sure to make those changes with Human Resources and DIS. We sync our websites with those systems multiple times every year. And so if you change it here and you haven't changed it with DIS, your name will be overwritten. The same, we also pull in your job title. And if you didn't see what I did there, I clicked on the User Profile tab. Your job title is also information that Human Resources and DIS has stored. And every time we sync our website, you may be able to change it here, and it'll keep for just a few minutes, but the next time we sync our website, that information will revert back to what you had there before. However, if you update self-description information, you update your website, or update personal information, that information is going to remain the same no matter when we sync. The other bit of information that is also linked into our DIS system is your work phone number. So if you notice on your profile that your work phone number or your job title or that your legal name is incorrect, please let Human Resources and DIS know. So as I mentioned before, you can add a little bit of information about yourself to help parents better understand you and how you support their child. Self-description appears as a biography on there. A personal message is a personal message that you can give to parents to maybe give them an idea of your philosophy of teaching or supporting student learning. And as I mentioned before, we highly recommend, if you have a classroom website, that you add the link to this website here. If you have a district approved blog, you can add that as well. Same goes for social media accounts. Now, your principal or program administrator must approve any social media account that you have, but you can add that here, and you should also register that information with community relations. We do not want you to put work address or home address information, and do not put a mobile telephone number unless you want that number public and available online. So go ahead and add any of this information. It also might be a good place for you to tell parents and community members if you teach multiple classes or if you support students in multiple schools. Now, once you've typed any of this information, you'll just go down and click Update User. And you'll see the same page again. Just review your changes to make sure they're correct. You can even run spell check on your personal message if you'd like to. You probably should. And the next step will be to update your photo. To update your photo, you're going to click on the User Photo tab. And you'll see an option to choose a file. In this case, I'm going to choose the same picture because it is my personal profile and I want it to be my picture. A note about photos you use: we want your photo ideally to be the same photo that you have on your badge, but we understand that you might have another professionally done photo that you like better. We just want to make sure that it is a professional photo. Please, no cartoons, no pictures of flowers or puppies or kittens or other types of things. We want this to be a professional representation of you to the parents and to the public. Just remember, that's our main audience. So go ahead and choose file. We want to clearly show your face here so that parents will recognize you when they walk into a school. And then click Upload. If you don't see the name of the photo that you just chose there, go ahead and click that Choose File again and click Upload. And you should see your new photo appear here. Just remember, I chose the same exact photo that I have before, which is why you're not seeing any difference. And if you see the photo that you chose there, you're done. You can go back to the staff directory and see that that change is made. Just a quick note, if you still see the old photo when you go back to your staff directory, you may need to clear your browser's cache. For instructions on how to do that, just go up to your toolbar and type in the word, if you're using Internet Explorer, you would type in Internet Explorer cache, C-A-C-H-E. And you'll be able to find information on how to refresh your browser's cache. The same goes for if you're using Chrome, clear cache, and you'll get instructions on how to clear that browser data. You can also find information about how to clear your cache by going onto the district website, and under Career and Staff, click the Staff Resources page and go back to that Updating Your Profile Picture and Info tip sheet. If you have any questions, please contact me. Again, my name is Angela Dice. I'm in Community Relations, and you can reach me via Outlook at angelad@ckschools.org.